Hi guys, today we're going to talk about how to do the best mining pool settings so you can make the most profit. Little pool settings are right here, and also we're going to do our giveaway as always, so stay tuned to the end for that. Alright, so as you guys, if you guys are new to this, you may not be aware of it, but right here there's pool settings and there's mining pools out there, and so when you click on this, it gives you some choices here, and so you can add another pool. Like right now I've got two chosen, and when you come up here you can move the percentages and put them wherever you like. You can add a different pool. There are several pools to choose from. Let's see, you've got BW, BTC China, and F2 pool. So those are your choices for this. So which one and how do you set them? What's the way you want to do on this? That's a great question. That's what we're going to address today. Okay, there's a gentleman out there. I'm not sure where the link where I got this from, but there's a gentleman out there that keeps track of all the mining pools for Hashflare, and he charts the numbers of which ones pay the best each day, and he keeps track of them here in this spreadsheet, and he's been doing it for a long time. So what you can do here is, I don't know if you can see the different colors. This is kind of there's a darker yellow and a lighter yellow. So first place and second place. So here recently, Ant Pool's been dominating in the first place position, and Slush has been in the second place position pretty consistently. Now, as of today's date, we have a new winner here, so that's kind of changed things up. So I don't know if that's going to be a one-time blip or if that's going to be a new trend. So I'm going to wait another day before I change my settings because I've had them on these, this one number 1 and this one number 2 for a while, and I'll show you that on the other page. So I'm going to wait another day before I to see if this is going to be good for another day or if it's just a one-time deal. But so now that you see that Ant Pool is in the number 1 typically, and Slush Pool is in the number 2, that's the data I'm going to go on so far. And so you can come back here, and you can see how I've allocated right here. The green is Ant Pool, and the blue is Slush. So I've got 75-25 ratio set up on mine. And so you would just come in here, slide your slider wherever you want it. And I had mine on 25-75, and then you'd click save. Now it only allows you to change it once a day, so I'm not going to change it right now. But you just come in here and you'd hit save, and then you'd be good to go until it would just stay there until you changed it. So there again, tomorrow I'll come back here, I'll assess this, and then potentially if it looks like we have a new trend, then I'm going to switch up BW into the first place slot, and I'll put Ant Pool in the slot in, and you can do any kind of ratio you want. I just was putting the number 1, I was just giving it 75% because I felt like that was a good if it's number 1, go ahead and give it the most. So that was my thinking on that. But yeah, you come over here as the days go on. You can check it every day, every couple of days, whatever you want, and then adjust your strategy accordingly. I've seen some people put 3 different pools in there, kind of give them equal spacing. But you can divide it up however you like. Like I said, I like the 75-25. All right, well, let's go and let's talk about our winner from the last video that we did. All right, here's our last vid. I've got the URL, put it in here. I've got 22 comments so far. Let's see who the winner is. All right, Akshay Sherpa. Thanks for the opportunity, and I hope I win. Well, you did win today. Congratulations. We'll get this over there and get this in the wallet. All right, let's see how much we win today. What do we got? We've got $20. Excellent. All right, Bitcoin right here, $20. All right, let's see here. We're going to customize our fee. If you come down here, you can lower your fee a little bit. 136. All right, 452 for the fee. $20. Got everything good there. $1.24. All right, congratulations. Now, if you guys want to, we're going to do another giveaway. So here's how it works. First off, you need to subscribe to the channel. Secondly, like the video. Thirdly, put a comment below with your Bitcoin address in there. Now, if you don't have a Bitcoin address, I'm going to put some links in the description for a free Bitcoin wallet at Blockchain or Coinbase. So you can go there, sign up, then you can get your address, then you can put it in the comment. And if you're a first timer and you enter the contest for the first time, please put first timer down there in your comment so I'll know that you're a brand new person that just opened up your wallet today. It's not going to help your chances of winning, so don't think that helps, but just put in there. I just want to know how many people are coming on board with Bitcoin, and maybe we'll be the first one to give you Bitcoin, and that would be awesome. Also, don't leave double comments. It doesn't help if you put your comment down in there twice. Actually, if I see that it is in there twice, it's going to disqualify you. So just one comment, and that'll be good. So we'll see you tomorrow, and share with your friends so they can get in on this Bitcoin contest. You guys have a great day.